this video, I'll show you how to add a 1-inch border in Canva. Open Canva and click Custom Size to create a new design. Change the units 2 inches and enter your desired width and height. Click Create New Design. Go to the Elements tab and add a square shape to the page. Go to Position. Adjust the shape's height to 1 inch using the position settings. Stretch the width to match the full length of your page. Then drag the shape to one edge. Duplicate the shape by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Then drag the copy to the opposite edge. Repeat this process for the left and right sides to create a full border. Select all for border shapes, right-click, and choose Group to combine them. With the group selected, change the border color using the color picker in the top toolbar. That's it. Thanks for watching.